there, Tansy here, and look at the time. It goes so fast. We are already at the last 2 days of the 12 days of Christmas, and it's time to take this tree down. All right, so let's check. Today we have a red raspberry tea, tangy sweet, taste the farm fresh raspberries. Yum. And the last day, 12, is orange and spice tea, which is so good. Zesty citrus and luxurious spices. Yum. We have 2 honey sticks and an icicle and a little snowman. Our last 2 chocolates here. The best part for my kid is, so we have 21. It's a big one. We cannot wait for those big ones. Such a patience to wait for those big Kinder surprises. Oh my gosh, look at this. Happy Hippo. And then we have 22. Here it is. Finally, we had this one at the beginning. At what point? We had a half Kinder Surprise egg. There is no toe in it. And with a little elf. Alright, here we have a little tiny Kinder Mini. And then we need 24. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, Kinder cards. Oh, Kinder cards. Oh, I need to open them. I don't know what's that. These are cookies. Ooh, yummy, yum, yum. These are Kinder cookies with, I don't know, we'll try them. Never had those. We always go for the chocolate stuff, but there's some cookies. And if you wanted to see what the Kinder Hippo looks like, let me show you what's all the fuss about. It is so good. Look at that. Just a little hippo with the eyes and everything, and it has tiny little chocolates around it. Ah, so yummy. You should try those. So good. All right, we'll clean up later here. It's getting chocolatey. Let's not get it into the yarn. Okay, and the last 2 choices here is, oh, look at this fuchsia. So good. Oh, that's probably my favorite color of them all. And orange. They all go together so well. Orange and pink. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it started raining. Can you hear the rain? Let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Such a great combination. Love it. All right, well, let's start stitching. The section with the bubbles is about 4 inches, and that last row before we start the new stitch is just 3 double crochets into each bubble, so we can go back to the front of the piece and we can start with our new color. And we'll complete this blanket with the beautiful star stitch. So I will add my new color. And the star stitch starts with chain 3. We usually need an even number of stitches, and this is the beginning of each row. We skip the first stitch and we pick a loop from the next stitch, a second loop, then we go one at the corner in the beginning, and then we have 2 stitches from the row, 1, 2, and we have a total of 6 stitches on our hook. We grab them all together, we chain 1, and now we grab one more stitch from the middle, from the eye of the star, and then we go here in the first leg of the star, then we go in the base, and then we grab 2 stitches from the row, and we have again 6 loops on our hook. We gather them all together and we chain 1, and then we go again into the eye of the star, into the leg of the star, into the base, and we are grabbing 2 loops from the row. We crochet them together, chain 1, and we repeat that all the way till the end. And at the end we'll do a half double crochet into that last stitch again, and we'll move to the next row. Once you reach the last stitch, you will do a half double crochet, we'll chain 1, and then we'll turn. In each eye of the star we'll do 2 half double crochets, and then the next eye here in that little hole we'll do 2 half double crochets. In each eye of the star we'll do 2 half double crochets, and I will go working this stitch till I finish all of my 2 skeins, and I will make one video with all the stitches in one place. If you don't want to skip from video to video, you'll have all the stitches and all their tutorials in one spot. Thanks for watching, subscribe!